Good morning, YouTubers, and it is a cold one. That is -3, and I've got to have a bonfire today because we haven't had one for a while. But it's a huge bonfire. I'll just show you. So this is one side. More crap over there to burn. More crap there to burn. I can't just make a hole and have it there because of all them trees that are there. That one's half dead from the fires before. I've got my little cardboard box. What we do is we need to get it really hot to start with in this little bit, and then when we've got enough heat in the centre of that, that's when you can start putting this frosty crap on and it won't put it out, hopefully. Best day to have a bonfire though, keep me warm. Hallelujah. I'm finally getting somewhere, YouTubers. I didn't think it was going to start for a second. We are cooking on gas. Well, welcome back, YouTubers. So what I've done is I've used this dry grass to get the fire bloody going, you know. And it seems to be doing the job, but it is quite bloody wet because of the frost. But we're getting there, slowly but surely. So I've gone and put these bigger logs on now, branches, whatever you want to call them. They're doing the job. They're getting the temp right hot. That's the one. Because once it's hot enough, then we can just start chucking on the bigger crap. Now most of that is laurel. Now the smoke produced from burning laurel actually gives off cyanide, so you don't really want to get that in your lungs. So what's happening, where it's getting so hot where I'm putting a lot on, it's actually melting the ice on the actual tree, so you're getting these big ice blocks, crystals, whatever, falling down. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry, so we're going to leave that to burn and hopefully it don't go out by the time we've had my break. So I just returned from break and the fire did nearly go out. Just put a load of sticks on, so hopefully that'll get some heat back into there and I can get rid of the, well, all that crap, which is a lot of crap to burn. With a little fire like that, you'll be alright. So that is nearly home time, YouTubers, so I've had enough. I'm going to go home, but we got a majority of it got rid of. We'll take a closer look at that situation. So I've got a controlled burn going on there. Get rid of all the old sticks around so it won't catch. Like that, that's all gone. We got a pile over there, but that'll be for next time. And then we've got a pile over there that's been added to today anyway, and that'll be for the next lot. And that's just a little bit there. So yeah, all in all, that's half of summer's crap, and through the winter. That's a lot of stuff I burnt today. Easy day. Anyway, if you've enjoyed yourself, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da for now. Kissy green fingers.